This year we designed a robot to handle a high workload. Specifically, we wanted it to get lots of points near the end of the match with climbing the scale and being able to lift another robot on our alliance with it via these rungs here, which deploy off to the side. They're very streamlined and pretty flat, so any robot can easily drive up onto them. We used broken hockey sticks made out of carbon fiber. They don't bend at all. We've tested them with one of our practice robots, which actually weighs heavier than a competition robot. It's very robust, and we can definitely lift a heavy load. Altogether, we feel like we made a really well-engineered robot that we believe is going to work very well this season.